Video. Yes guys, this is one of the new JUTC bus. Yeah man. Yeah man, brand new. Brand new. So this will start run from Ocho to Ocho Rios. Yeah, look at it. Look at it guys. Pretty. Yeah man. Look at it. Can't take a look in there, come. Can't take a driver. Can't take a look in there.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Wow. Duck in a duck. Yes guys. This is what we're going to drive and go to Ocho Rios.
So yes guys, so this is the bus now where come to Ocho from Ocho Rios guys. So if you notice guys, it is early now, like to 7 in the night guys. So you leave from Ocho Rios about from 5 o'clock and you reach here about 7 o'clock. About to 7 reach, to 7. So you guys, you have to reach here about like 6:30 the latest in the night guys. About 6:30 the latest in the night to catch the bus here guys. So you leave here from Ocho, go straight back to Ocho Rios guys. Yes guys, straight from Ocho to Ocho Rios guys. Only $2,000 guys. So you know guys, you have much time can cook your dinner before you reach this bus guys. Can you reach out, you work off a time guys. Okay guys, see there guys, right here in Ocho, only $2,000 guys. Only $2,000. So I left out in the morning, so I come here in the morning to 6 and it left out 6 o'clock in the morning. And then it go back to Ocho Rios and then it come back down. But I don't really remember the time when it left out in the 6 o'clock in the morning, what time it come back down. But I know that the last trip like now in the night, it come down to 7. So possibility you guys here from say about to 7 in the night guys. Okay guys, drive very comfortable guys. See the guys, express. Yes guys, express, comfortable drive going guys. See that guys. So now guys, so you have your very timely, can cook your dinner before you come out guys, but make sure you reach here by 6:30 guys. Now see the guys, drive very comfortable guys. Yeah guys, your nice seats.
Okay, come again, you know.
Seat here guys, nice and comfortable. Well AC guys. And see the camera here guys, so there's the camera guys and there's the TV guys. So you have your TV to watch, go straight in guys. Nice. Seat here guys. But smell nice and clean, wow. But smell nice, smell like foreign. Wow. But smell like foreign. Yes guys, see bus here guys, smell like foreign. Look here guys, and see you have your thing right here guys where you can just take down guys. And you can put your juice in it, your teacup or whatever right here guys. So see there guys, and you flip it up back guys, just like the plane. Very nice. See the guys, flip it down. You put in your juice guys, anything you put on right here guys. Enjoy your trip, go right into Ocho Rios from Ocho Rios guys. And you enjoy your nice ride. So driver, what time you say left out in the morning from down here now?
We leave 6 o'clock and 8:15. So the first trip is 6 o'clock. Then the second trip is 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, so you left from down here 6 o'clock, got Ocho Rios.
And then come back
down.
and leave 10 o'clock.
Leave 10 o'clock from down here.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, so right from right, you know, guys, so you know, say you have to reach here about 9:30, guys. If you catch the bus back from 10 o'clock to go back to halfway tree, guys. Okay, guys, and you have very comfortable ride, guys. Very nice. The bus similar like foreign. Nice. Yes, guys. So you guys can just leave a comment and tell me what you like about this bus, what you view. And see the guys, you got 2 doors, guys, so you can come out from this door to, guys. Okay, you have 2 doors to come out, guys. No squeeze up. And this section 10:30. So the bus leave out here from 10:30 for correction, for clarity. The bus leave here from 10:30, so you can leave. You can reach here about like say all 20 past 10, the latest. You can leave, and you know say it will take long. So if you reach here like say 10:30, you know say probably just leave out like say 10:45 or about 11 o'clock, the latest. Cause you know say you work off a time. So you not go wait till it's full, guys. That is the best thing about it. So anyway, you guys go in, you don't have to worry. You reach very fast and quick. Yes, guys. Look here, guys. Look here, guys. Look here, guys. Very comfortable ride. Very comfortable ride. Right now, guys, the bus does reach here to 6 just now, guys. Sorry, for clarity. The bus does reach here just now to 7, guys. And right now, it's soon leave out. About 15 past 7. The bus will leave from here and it does catch here to 7. Can you imagine that, guys? Which regular bus you're going to get just come to 7 and leave out 15 past 7? Huh? That is less than a half an hour. What a beauty. That is less than a half an hour, guys. So you don't have to worry you're going to be late. You don't have to worry you're going to be late, guys. See that, guys? Don't have to worry you're going to be late. Don't worry you're going to be late, guys. Drive go straight in the AC, guys. Nice, comfortable. Okay, driver. Oh. Nice, comfortable ride, guys. See that, guys? Nice, comfortable ride. Full of AC, guys. You don't have to worry you're gonna be late. You don't have to worry. Oh, so the bus will take long for load. Bus reaching to 7 o'clock. The latest 7 o'clock. And 15 past 7 you leave. So you guys just have those come right on time. So you how much time can cook your dinner? As I said earlier on. Yes, guys, a beautiful bus. Just let us some passenger and drive right here in the park. So, guys, right here in Ocho Rios Park, it come in the night time, guys. Right here in Ocho Rios Bus Park, it come in the night, guys. Right here in the Ocho Rios Bus Park, come in the 7 o'clock, guys. Right here, guys. So, if you guys want to come at 7 o'clock, you can come 7 o'clock, guys. You're going to leave out about 15 past 7, the latest. Nice. See, driver sit down comfortable, just very properly. Driver just very properly, sit down well comfortable right here. Oh yes, guys. So this can tell you the country has reached a far away, guys. Country reached a far away, guys. There's a sign, halfway tree.